Hello everyone, welcome to the XTV channel. 5 things you can do with your mouth that will drive a man crazy. 1. Pay attention to his ears, but no need to go crazy. The ear can pick up subtle sensations, and less is more, says Sandor Gardos, PhD, sexologist at mypleasure.com. Here's what to do. Place your lips an inch away from his ear and release a slow sigh. Then, take his earlobe between your lips and gently tug. This will pull at, and indirectly stimulate, the nerve endings inside the ear. These nerves are almost never stimulated, so you'll really blow his mind when you do this, says Gardos. So, yes, ears can be an erogenous zone. 2. Don't forget his fingers. If you think kisses on the hand are only for men courting women in the 1940s, then you haven't tried this one. Place the tip of your tongue on the webbed area at the base of his fingers, then slowly slide your way up the side. This move will give him goosebumps because this area is very sensitive, but, like the nerves of his inner ear, it rarely gets much attention, says Olivia St. Clair, author of 302 Advanced Techniques for Driving a Man Wild in Bed. Then, to make him completely crazy, take the tip of his finger between your lips. It's suggestive of what I could be doing down below, says Fran, 39. 3. Kiss the roof of his mouth. So you figure you've explored every inch of his mouth with yours? Truth is, the one area that's often ignored is the roof of his mouth, which is one of the most ticklish parts of the body, says Hess. So the next time you're lip to lip, flick your tongue once or twice in an arc along this area. Any more might send him into a fit of giggles. Katrina, 33, has found that this move works wonders on her husband. When people kiss, they always go for the tongue, she says. But the first time I ran my tongue along the roof of my husband's mouth, he was like, whoa. Now I know that if I ever want to get a rise out of him, that's what I need to do. 4. Tease him. Gently graze your lips, keeping them as dry as possible, across his forehead, looping slowly over to his temple and then down to his mouth. This dry brushing, as Hess calls it, will have a completely different feel from the usual wet kiss. That's because the face is covered with nearly invisible fuzz called velum hairs. A slight, subtle touch will activate these hairs, inducing sublime shivers. The sweetness of this kiss will also strengthen your emotional ties to each other, says Natalie, 31. It's tender but sexy, and it always makes my husband smile, she says, which means that a kiss like this says, let's get it on and I love you. 5. Notice his neck. Few kisses establish an I want you now connection like ones on the neck. To take the passion level up a notch, gently pull his head back and to the side, which will expose an extra sensitive tendon running from the ear to the shoulder, says St. Clair. Starting at the base of his ear, work your way down the ridge, randomly alternating between small nibbles and gentle kisses so he won't know what's coming next. Wait for the next part of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you later. Goodbye.